Living the Dream Garage YouTube channel. What we're starting on today with this little Ford is we basically have to, there's some ribs underneath the cab that's a little close to the U-joint front yoke on the drive shaft, and we're going to be cutting some of that out and boxing it. It's nothing that's going to cause any structural problem. It's just a couple of ribs, and they'll be replaced with some boxing. And but yeah, we're going to get to it. tank, guys. We've got some of this cut away. We're basically just gonna clean some of this up in this rib here, this floor joist, basically. We're gonna clean up the extra, straighten a little bit up right there. I probably could have used a plasma cutter, but we don't have it just set up. We have to roll it out, hook everything, and it ain't like the welders. We just don't keep it ready like that. But basically, we're going to clean it all up, and you'll get to see that. We're going to box it in, which is, you know, I'm sure some of the people watching this or what, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, get just a little more clearance for this transmission and the yoke. It does have clearance. It's about 3/4 of an inch, but it needs, just to be safe, the owner said open it up a little bit. And you know, this truck was somewhere else, and the owner, you know, he brought it here, or asked if we would help him finish it. The truck was somewhere else, and you know, he couldn't leave it there any longer or whatever. It's neither here nor there. But some of this we gotta trim up. There's a lot of sharp edges that we have to go behind and repair and stuff, and along with finishing our job. So, but it is a job, and we certainly appreciate him, and we try to help him, or anybody, as much as can. And but yeah, we'll get this boxed in and everything, and get ready. We're going to measure for a drive shaft and all that stuff. There's a company down in Florida that we use for drive shafts and all. Advanced Driveline. They're real good, and I've used them quite a bit in Florida for different projects. And but yeah, we'll start getting this done, cut out, and getting ready to box it and tack it in, and all that stuff, and keep trucking. Okay. All right. As you can see, we got this embossed here, or capped here. We're going to leave it tacked until we get exact measurements for the drive shaft and everything, so we can get the drive shaft and run it through its course movement and go from there, because we're not sure if we'll have to change anything from here back. But we did need to make some room. We only had right at 3/4 of an inch clearance, and so we needed to go ahead and make some room automatically just to get ourselves in the right field. And so we'll go from there. We'll get the measurements, and that'll be all for the boxing for the transmission yoke and all. So thank you guys for hanging out and watching, and like always, if you haven't, if you would subscribe and like our channel, and hit the bell notification, and we appreciate it, and good night.